Uh, Hello guys, like today's session is about to handle the select drop down. Yeah, like to handle the select drop down, like we're going to use uh, this particular website. So yeah, this is the one of the dummy e-commerce application. So that will copy the URL and yeah, this is the class I created under the Selenium session dropdown handling in Java. So already I written the code for like system.set properties. We're setting the property as a key value format like webdriver.chrome.driver and the path of the executables directory. So also we declare the Chrome options and we passing as add argument as a remote origin, because in this latest version of the Chrome we're facing the like driver launching issue. So that we'll adding these two steps and we'll create the Chrome driver object, WebDriver object. So once after this, like we'll add driver.get. Yeah, here we'll place the URL. Okay, we'll cross check with this URL. Okay, so this step is going to hit the URL in the browser. This step is launching the Chrome browser. Then next we'll find, see in this step we'll click on close button initially. So how to click on this close button? We need to inspect the element. To perform action on this particular element, we need the element address. So that yeah, we'll click and we'll do the inspect. See, this is the button tag and the key and attribute values. So select the, I need to construct the export for this particular close button. For this, slash button, open the brackets, but sorry, we'll use the contains method, slash. See, this is the export for the close button. Like if we hit enter, see it's highlighting this close and one of one matching. This is the exact export for close button. So driver will add the next step, dot find element by, find the element inside this. Find element is taken as a by type of argument, by dot export. Export is a method of by class. So we use this and we'll copy the export which we constructed in the DOM and we'll place it here. Close this and declare CPTL, the label, create local variable. So we need to perform click action on this button. Dot click. See, it's listing the click. Just enter. Yeah, this step is completed because we are going to perform the click action. So we done click action. After coming to the home page, then this is the drop down, guys. This is the select drop down. By default, it's set as a e-procurement as the value, and there are so much values in this particular drop down: e-procurement, PO management, and indent management, so on. So how to handle this drop down? So to handle this drop down is also defined as a list box. The standard way to develop a drop down is select tag. So there are classified as two types of drop downs. One is single select and multi select. See, this is single select, we can't do multi select. This is we call it as a single select dropdown. So if a dropdown is developed using the select tag, then we can handle the dropdown using select class. We will check it, this is a select tag or not. See, this is the select. If a this dropdown is developed using a select tag, then we can handle the dropdown using select class. Okay, let's see how to handle through select class. Okay, so coming back to here, first we'll write the XPath for this particular dropdown. Click on inspect. See, this we can do as a tag name is, this is the tag name select. So the syntax is / select. Let's see, class name. I will take it as any unique attribute name. So we'll take as a name. Okay. Name equals to name value is this particular login feature ID. We'll take it within the single quote. We need to place this and hit enter. See, it's locating exactly login type here. Then this is a 1 of 1 and this is a proper XPath. So we'll copy the same step, locating the web element by this fashion. We'll place the XPath of that select dropdown. Yeah, we'll place it here. Close button. Let's see. Now this is the, because of this is a select tag, the dropdown is developed using the select tag, we can handle using select class. We can handle the dropdown by using the select class. All the methods of the select class are non-static, so non-static methods, so that we need to create object. So we'll create object for select class and see. Select sc select equal to name select. See, select is a parameterized constructor which takes web element as an argument, means address of the dropdown. This is hold the address of the dropdown. So that means this element, we will take the XPath for this element, right? This holds the address of the dropdown. Okay, inside the dropdown there are so many values, but we'll find the address of this entire overall dropdown. So will give us an argument. Select is a parameterized constructor which takes web element as argument. That means address of the dropdown will give us an argument. Then you see dot select select dot select by index, select by value, select by visible text. By using these three methods, we can able to handle the dropdown. We can be able to select the values from the dropdown. So select by visible text means if we go to here, see if in this select dropdown, see these are the option values under the select. Option 1 is e-procurement, work order management is the second, third one is the intent management, PO management. these are the values. Select by value means we need to use these values, we need to provide. Select by visible text means these are the visible text, we need to pass it into the task argument. Select by index, index start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. If we give the select by index as 0, it will fetch the e-procurement. Select by 1, 2, 3. If we give select by index 3 means it needs to fetch PO management. Let's see, like we'll give PO management as a select by visible text. We need to copy this and we need to select by visible text within double quotes CSS text or string accepting argument type. So we need to provide it in double quote. Select by visible text, we need to provide this. After clicking, it will take few seconds, so that's why we'll add thread.sleep. Just will add 2, so paste, save it, and now it should select. It will go and to initially like like it would first initially it should click on the close and coming to this login type drop down, and it should select PO management. This is the output we need to get. Let's see how to look. First we'll save this and try to run this. It's launching the Chrome browser. Yeah, it started work. It's hitted the URL. Yeah, let's click on close. See, it selected PO management. It selected PO management. What we given in the code? PO management. Successfully, the select by visible text is working fine. Now we'll comment this and we'll add one more method, that is select by value. Okay. This is also accepting as a text or string format, so within double quote we need to pass this. See, for 3, value equal to 3 means it should fetch, so we'll go to value is equal to 2, then it should fetch work order management from the dropdown. So we need to pass it as 2, because select by value we need to pass it as 2. Save this and we'll close the earlier browser and we'll run this. Started. It's one of the browser and hit URL, and yeah, let's close the button. Yeah, it selected work order. So if we go value equal to 2 means work order management. Here also work order management, which is selected. See, this is the Chrome is being controlled by automated software. This is the screen which I ran. So work order management is selected. It's successfully working fine. Close this and we'll use this, and we'll comment it this, and we'll go for another method of the select class, that is select by index. This time we'll pass as an index. Index start from 0, so we'll go here and we'll select. Yeah, this time we'll pass as a start. If we give 0, it's selecting e-procurement. Index as 0, index as 1 means work order management. Index 2 means indent management should select. We'll pass and we'll cross check. Indent management 2. We'll give 2 means indent management. Run this. Started Chrome browser. controls. See, intent management got selected. So something. See 0, 1, 2. If you give value as 3, then it will select intent management. If you give index as 2, then it select intent management, because index start from 0. Yeah. Yeah, these all are the methods of select class. This is how we need to select. If the drop down is developed using the select tag, then we can handle the drop down using select classes. Create object and reference object name dot. There are methods: select by visible text, select by value, select by index. Through this we can handle select class drop down. Yeah, that's all about this select drop down, guys. Thank you.